Dear students, today we'll study the expansion of formula a minus b bracket cube, a cube of a binomial. Now, a minus b bracket cube can be written as a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. Three times it can be written three times. So now this a minus b into a minus b, it will become as a minus b, and this will two times it is a minus b bracket square. Now this bracket will expand, will apply the identity over here. So a minus b bracket first, and expansion of this a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we'll multiply these two brackets. First term of first bracket into this bracket and second term b into again this bracket. So a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus second term of the first bracket into again this entire second bracket. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we'll multiply a into a square is a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus b into a square is minus a square b minus into minus plus 2ab square b square b into b square, and minus b into plus b square is minus into plus will be minus b into b square is b cube. Now whichever the like terms are there, we'll bring them together. A square b, 2a square b and a square b, and ab square and 2ab square. So first term a cube minus 2 and minus 1 become minus 3 a square b. 1 plus 2, again 3 plus 3 a b square minus b cube. This is the expansion of the formula a minus b bracket. Practice set 5.3. This is based on the formula a minus b bracket cube. A is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This formula is same as a cube of the binomial a plus b bracket cube. Only the second term and the last term are negative over here. Now, using this formula, we'll solve the examples. So, first one, 2m minus 5. At the place of a, there is 2m. At the place of b, there is 5. Now, apply the formula. So, first term, 2m bracket cube minus 3 times the first term 2m square into 5. Third term is positive. So 3 times again 2m into 5 square b square, that is 5 square plus minus 5 bracket cube, which is equal to 2m cube 8m cube minus 3 into 2 4m square into 5 plus 3 2s are 6 m into 5 square 25 minus 5 cube is 125, which is equal to 8m cube minus 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60 m square, 25 into 6, 25 into 6 is 150 m minus 125. Second example, 4 minus p bracket cube. 4 minus p bracket cube is equal to first term a cube, that is 4 cube. A is equal to 4 and p is b, 4 cube, minus 3 times 4 square into p plus 3 times 4 into p square minus p cube is equal to 4 cube is 64 minus 3 into 4 square 16 into p plus 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12 p square minus p cube, which is equal to 64 minus 16 3s are 48 p plus 12 p square minus p cube. Third example, 7x minus 9y bracket cube. So 7x first is A and 9y is B. So 7x cube minus 3 times 7x square into 9y, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a 7x into b square, that is 9y square minus 9y bracket cube. Now simplification, 7 cube of 7 is 343 x cube minus 3 7 square 49 x square into 9y plus 3 times 7x into 9 square, square of 9 is 81 y square minus cube 9 cube. 9 cube is 729 y cube. Now first 343 x cube minus 3 into 49 into 9. Multiply this all three. After multiplying you will get the answer 1 3 2 3. After multiplying this 3 into 49 into 9 and x square y plus 3 into 21, 3 into 7 21, 21 into 81. After multiplying these three numbers you will get 1701 xy cube minus 729. Now fourth example, 58 bracket cube. Now 58, can write 58 in the form 58 can be written as 60. You have to solve using the identity a minus b. So split into two parts, 60 minus 2. 60 minus 2 is 58 bracket cube. Now a is equal to 60 and b is equal to 2. So the expansion will be, apply the formula a minus b bracket cube. So 60 cube minus 3 times 60 square into 2 plus 3 times 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now the cube of 60 is 1 2 1 6. Now 60 into 60 into 60 3 times, so 3 zeros will come after 2 1 6 minus 3 times 60 square, 6 square 36, 60 into 60 is 3600, 2 zeros into 2 plus 3 into 60 is 180 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8, which is equal to 216,000 minus, now 3 into 36, 3600 into 2, 3 into 3600 into 2 is 21600 into 180 into 4 is equal to plus 720 minus 8. Now after doing this all calculation, add these two numbers and these two get bring together. See here, 216,000 plus 720 is 216,000 plus 720 is 216,720, and this minus, you have to subtract this, so minus 80612, subtract, you get answer 10 minus 8 2, you have 1, 6 minus 7 minus 6 1, 6 minus 1 5, 11 minus 2 9, 1 5 2, answer will be 1 195 112. Fifth example, 198 bracket cube. Now 198 will split in the form a minus b bracket cube. So nearest round figure multiple of 10 is 200, minus 2 is 198 bracket cube. Now a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 2. We'll apply the identity a minus b bracket cube. So a cube, that is 200 cube, minus 3 times 200 square into 2 plus 3 times 200 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now 200 cube of 200 is 200 into 200 into 200 is 800,000. 3 times 2 cube is 8, minus 3 into 2 square, 200 square, 200 into 200 is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 is 600 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. It is equal to 800,000 minus 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 1 2 3 4, my plus 6 4s are 24, 0 0 minus 8. Now bring these two together and these two together. So add this 800,2400 minus 24000 minus 8, both together, both are negative, 24008. Now subtract this. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 will be coming here, 9 minus 0, 9, here 3, 3 minus 0 is 3, then 2 minus 0 is 2, then 4, that is 10 minus 4 is 6, here 9, 7, 70, 7 minus 7, 9, 6, 2, 3, 9, 2. 2p minus 1 upon p bracket cube. So using the identity a minus b bracket cube, so 2p bracket cube minus 3 times 2p square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 times 2p into 1 upon 2p bracket square minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube. Now 2p square, p square is 2 is cube is 2p cube is 2 cube is 8, p bracket cube minus 3 times 2 square 4 p square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p square is 4 upon p bracket square minus 1 upon 2 cube 8p cube, which is equal to 8p cube minus, now here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, we can cancel p, 1p and single p cancel. Okay, now what is remaining? 3 2s are 6p plus again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1p from numerator, 1p from denominator, 3 into 1 into 1 is 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p. Seventh example, 1 minus 1 upon a cube. A is equal to 1 here and b is equal to 1 upon a. So we'll apply the formula a minus b bracket cube. So first term 1 cube minus 3 times 1 square into 1 upon a plus 3 times a, here a is 1 into 1 upon a bracket square minus 1 upon a bracket cube, 1 upon a bracket cube. So which is equal to 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square 1 into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a square is 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube, which is equal to 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 upon a minus 3 into 1 upon a square is 3 into 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Eighth example, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. A is equal to x upon 3 and b is equal to 3 upon x. So we'll apply the formula a minus b bracket cube. So first term x upon 3 cube minus 3 times x upon 3 bracket square into 3 upon x plus 3 times x upon 3 into b, that is 3 upon x bracket square minus b cube, that is 3 upon x bracket cube. Now 3 upon x bracket cube is equal to x cube upon 3 cube is 27 minus 3 times x square, 3 square is 9 into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 square 9 upon x square minus 3 cube 27 upon x cube is x. So which is equal to x cube upon 27. Now here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, again 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. X, 1x from numerator and 1x from denominator getting cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 into 1 into 1 and minus only x is remaining. Here 3 3 cancel. So 1x from numerator, 1x from denominator. So plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube.